Meta bought a Chinese AI startup, then immediately denied ties, creating confusion across the industry as experts questioned their contradictory actions. Manus impressed Meta by outperforming major Western systems, delivering benchmark scores significantly stronger than expected across competitive evaluations. Despite originating in China, the company shifted operations to Singapore before completely removing remaining regional affiliations to satisfy acquisition requirements. Meta plans pushing this technology into Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook, reshaping everyday digital interactions for millions of global platform users. Meanwhile, China surprised everyone by rapidly unveiling advanced humanoid robots, signaling aggressive progress that demanded worldwide technological attention immediately. China reached a major robotics milestone, producing its 1,000th humanoid unit, indicating massive industrial scale and accelerating technological momentum nationwide. Upcoming CES reveals China representing 20 of 34 humanoid robotics exhibitors, highlighting overwhelming international dominance across emerging mechanical innovation. Only 5 American companies appear, reflecting widening disparity as China secures a major lead in global robotic development pathways. Simultaneously, major AI leaders quietly plan travel toward India, implying deeper strategic shifts unfolding beneath obvious global headlines. This subtle movement signals pattern changes, suggesting upcoming transformations within worldwide artificial intelligence leadership structures forming rapidly. Meta invested over $2 billion because Manus demonstrated exceptional performance, surpassing heavily established AI competitors with impressive measurable advantages. Noticing Manus's benchmark superiority, Meta quickly recognized potential value, justifying financial commitment towards securing this powerful intelligence agent. Although founded in China, the startup detached completely, ensuring regulatory safety and eliminating ownership complications, satisfying Meta's long-term strategy. Integrated into communication platforms, this technology will directly influence countless users by reshaping interface behavior and automated functionality behind scenes. While Meta disconnects from China, the country simultaneously launches groundbreaking developments, capturing significant global interest and raising questions. A Chinese investment firm released Iquest Coder, an open-source model topping difficult bug fix benchmarks and outperforming strong Western alternatives. Its 81% score exceeded notable systems, including Claude and advanced GPT branches, surprising international research communities. This mirrors earlier DeepSeek events, where another trading firm created breakthrough AI unexpectedly shifting global expectations overnight. Repeated success suggests China continually builds frontier technology through unconventional channels, generating astonishing results with minimal warning. Meanwhile, United States companies like Adobe form strategic partnerships aiming to strengthen ecosystems and maintain competitive relevance against rising pressure. Adobe collaborated with rival Runway, recognizing their superior video generation model, currently dominating creative artificial intelligence production rankings. Adobe's long-standing strategy prefers keeping users inside their ecosystem, even when external technologies outperform native internal releases. Firefly integration enables generating and editing AI videos seamlessly, transferring creations into professional creative tools instantly. Runway selected Adobe as primary partner, providing early access opportunities, strengthening value for existing creative platform communities. While American firms expand software ecosystems, China advances robotics aggressively, supported through coordinated national initiatives. UB manufactured its 1,000th Walker humanoid robot, deploying hundreds into active factories, demonstrating rapid real-world industrial adoption. Government launched formal standardization committees, establishing unified safety rules, consistent hardware frameworks, and national robot development guidelines.
Robots entered mainstream entertainment, performing synchronized routines during concerts and broadcasts, familiarizing public audiences with advanced machines. CES exhibitors lists dominated by Chinese companies show massive coordinated advancement across global robotic technology markets. Government support, public integration, and mass production together illustrate China pursuing definitive leadership throughout evolving robotic fields. China simultaneously released powerful open-source tools supporting translation, offline computation, and automated animation generation for developers. Tencent introduced Hi-MT, enabling multilingual translation faster than commercial APIs, functioning completely offline on mobile devices. HiMotion offered instant character animations generated directly from natural language descriptions, simplifying complex development workflows. Alibaba launched an agent capable of controlling smartphones autonomously, executing taps, swipes, selections, and full task completion independently. These tools expand China's influence, providing global developers advanced free resources, accelerating innovation internationally. DeepSeek researchers announced manifold-constrained hyperconnections, enabling stable parallel reasoning without catastrophic system failure across scales. They validated architecture stability using 3, 9, and 27 billion parameters, maintaining consistent performance throughout expansion. The method increased reasoning capability fourfold while adding minimal computational cost, enhancing efficiency dramatically. Speculation arises anticipating new DeepSeek release around Chinese New Year, generating strong industry excitement. Meanwhile, LLM routing innovation reduces inference expenses intelligently, directing queries to appropriate models, enhancing cost efficiency. India prepares hosting AI Impact Summit, attracting global leaders, including visionaries from major technology organizations, shaping industry direction. Over 100 international delegations plan attendance, demonstrating worldwide commitment toward inclusive artificial intelligence development opportunities. India aims establishing itself as a rising technological leader, prioritizing accessibility for developing nations across expanding digital landscape. Experts predict authenticity challenges, deepfake saturation, and verified real content becoming essential markers soon. They also anticipate a shift from polished demonstrations toward functional real-world systems delivering practical, measurable results. New AI hardware emerges, including interactive glasses offering proactive guidance, understanding personal preferences without requiring spoken commands. This system remembers past moments, delivering contextually relevant insights, behaving like intelligent extension, improving everyday decision-making. Market awaits critical reviews determining whether the technology performs consistently beyond promotional demonstrations and staged presentations. Weekly discoveries introduce creative tools, improving health, productivity, branding, communication, and business development possibilities significantly. Global AI competition accelerates rapidly as Meta separates, China advances, India rises, and technological evolution intensifies continuously.